Akumai Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Summer radio.
Akumai Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Live in effect, and I don't waste time on the mic with a dope rhyme. Jump to the rhythm, jump to the rhythm, jump. And I'm here to combine beats and lyrics to make you shake your pants, take a chance. Come on and dance, guys. Grab a girl, don't wait, make the twirl. It's your world, and I'm just a squirrel trying to get a nut to move your butt to the dance floor. So yo, what's up? Hands in the air. Come on, say yeah. Everybody over here, everybody over there. The crowd is live, and I will do this too. Party people in the house, move.
All right, and Kwesiara no pa on the 13th of November 2022. And it was show Brenna says Sima Edu Asami and Sabo Panunsia home 6:33. Kwesiara no pa yatina CD and say local updates. I good mun sem kakra ho e wo fie no. Ya tena na fin so de ho komo kakra na say yes mu e de amam. Na wo sene na watch ye wi efiara ba. The Ghana Premier League Division 1 League and I finished the Women's League in the Sifa Ekoye. Samson Ghana Mranti si akan wa manane. And so me bo mu na finished when we send ya Mranti ni modern ball Eko FIA. Passion so say china arapa e nundu ba ko pepepe. The Ghana Football Association and I finished with coach Otuado. Let me announce the Black Stars of Ghana squad aye the World Cup. You know, a china update in a yerbeba, a beshan boy, ne coach Otuado, and I feel on everything. Aya, china, Amadisa, big announcement in Eba. Player Ben Echo, player Ben on to me encore. Nina sono, Yedimu, Encomo Ebeba. Parana Quasia Day, it is a Buabo Mohaka, sorry,
the dance.
Bimusono, Eddie Kinda,
your bleed.
Why you say Unkoya, Massa, is okay, Nadia, is it Yamia, Yanakona Kodana say, sorry, pet me, Kona Fins, the Church of Pentecost, English Assembly, my boy room na, Messumako Danyamia say, more, get on the Yana Kodanyamia say, Paramajidi so be a Hoyano pay. Higher Command 97.1. Executive producer Duma Jumedi Yera Kofi Anton Bafo Nana Kofi Okori Ajiman Eta Mechiano Pay Samson Akrobia Santi Bomechidom Ditin DJ Zigibiana Face DJ Donzi. As usual, only say Fremi Kelvin and Ponsan Eddie. Wait me a Fremi aka the boss player. Donzi said na kwesi dey say oh ma you kakra na just say they are too man say you know kwesi ada gospel na ma fon so efiru onam kwanso akwa sorry nya na uti okuman na update no so ye dey ma o so I say no update ni nyina no egufia local updates kopim ese no so bebo no ye dey e ma o egufia ha and you know donzi what my yemfa we na fan tu em nkosa so I say yemfa gospel na fem
Akumai Radio
you know, send me kind of local updates and then I'll pay a bar on a command 97.1. Now, young corner, young share the Women's Premier League and the Malta Guinness Women's Premier League. And rather, match day 6 matches do on out to me, so and then the Calbert was on a fin, so I draw a big game back to me to draw. But we can say live on Facebook. Yes, or Command Radio 97.1 and I'll pay live on Facebook. So be to me stream me and as our journey live on Facebook. No, I should you know. But another match week 6. Malta Guinness Women's Premier League, no. Bobo Kwani, the purple lady said to fi eche ye tamale ye lady said born a come and sa went to me ante 3-0. Samson attend the Queens and sono etumi ede Bobo Kwani din and sono ede Immigration lady said for 1-1. Dreams ladies answer to me and Pim Dakwa Bonne Camino went to ante 2-0. Police ladies and certain fee Emma Pobo Kwanidin 5 FC Bashan Economy and Sound so Etimu Ayamino. There's a big defeat at the police ladies. Army ladies and Sono Etumetina Fiachi Hazakas ladies Bonne Camino went to ante. As an Ochi a cuckoo dominated toy or the Women's Premier League anymore. And at 3 p.m. Ghana time, the fabulous ladies and our fins on the Supreme Ladies ever ball. Samson I Berry ladies say kwa we na fin so no SCM soccer ladies say their boy ni Rich City and fin so no soccer intellectuals. Ni games and ne ebeba so Candy Soccer Academy. Betena fiatun sa area afre ampim da kwa ladies. Na mo so their boy ni 3 p.m. Ghana time. We yeah Malta Guinness Women's Premier League. I see a league table ni say net here our year the Northern Zone mo our the Women's Premier League mo. PL ladies said in kind after 6 matches equal 13 points. Samson and Pim da Kwanson equal 10 points or toss me after 6 matches. Dreams Air ladies and Sono equal 10 points or tosso me and Sam. Ashtown ladies said tosso and 9 equal 9 points. Shannon Sono about 5 matches. Presence ladies and Sono after 6 matches set us with equal 9 points. Northern ladies and Sono equal 7 points after 6 matches. Atosu in Sia and so I Tamale ladies on equal 7 points after 6 matches. Supreme ladies about 5 matches set us and watch equal 5 points. Fabulous ladies Niaman Kuya Fi and Famomo Atosu and Kron equal 3 points after 5 matches. Candy ladies let us do our also equal 3 points at our ball 5 matches. I know a Northern Zone. The Southern Zone as Zakes ladies about 6 matches so didn't can equal 15 points. Faith ladies at Tosumi and Soon after 6 matches equal 12 points. Army ladies have a Tosumi and San equal 11 points on also about 6 matches. Tender Queens and so Tosu 9 equal 9 points on also about 6 matches. So great ladies and also got 8 points. Our ball 5 matches or toss num. Very ladies at Tosso in Tia equal 7 points on also about 5 matches. Soccer intellectuals and so about 7 more and that's about 6 matches at also and so 7th position equal 7 points. Lady strikers and so also and watch equal 5 points after 6 matches. Police ladies at also and Crown 9th position. Equal 4 points on also about 6 matches. Rich City also equal just 2 points after 6 matches. I will also do Yɛnhwɛ top scorer chart na ɛwɔ Mana FM. Mariam Ponsa ɛwɔ mpem dako a wahyɛ 6 goals. Samson and Stella Nyamiche ewo Dreams Ladies were too much 6 goals. Fidelis Yakubu ewo Axakes Ladies were 5 goals. And Doreen Copson and so no etumi 5 goals. And also our Axakes Ladies. Yankora Finsu Yankoshe the Access Bank Division 1 League. Access Bank Division 1 League. Matches ne Ebaso. Zone 1A no matches Ebaso and any 3 p.m. Ghana time. One Sunta and so any DBB United ball Malik Jabel Stadium. Why St. Juniors and so any Mana FC ball and at 3 p.m. Kumbung aye Bimbiem. And so 11 Wonders ever ball a year Rachana. NOA Zone 1A. Zone 1B matches set to draw any Mighty Royals and net 3 p.m. and so at Tenefi at the Shaman Park at on side of Frebo for Quatano FC. Berekuma Arsenal and so any Unity FC ball 3 p.m. at Golden City Park. Bobo Kwan the Young Apostles and so in Kranza Warriors ball Sunyani Coronation Park 3 p.m. Ghana time. And I think so na Balfour Soccer Academy and so any BA United ball. And also about so at Echana 3 p.m. Ghana time. Where Zone 1B. Zone 2. Matches Dodona Nene Ebetuja. Kempon Football Academy. And so any Steffi All-Stars about 3 p.m. Wafa West African Football Academy. And so any new Rubiasi El Gomo after 3 p.m. and a big game. Omina Sharks and so any mysterious Ebusuan Dwarfs about 3 p.m. Masake Holy Stars Academy and Sony Sweden All Blacks ball. Future Stars and Sony FC Nations. In the Marco Kone Asukwa Deportivo. Asikem FC and Sony Sky FC ball. At 3 p.m. and Echana El Zone 2. Pacific Heroes and Afinsono Soccer Intellectuals 3 p.m. at Echana. Zone 1 and Ase Zone 2. Yanko Pimo Zone 3. Liberty Professionals. It's me a ball and there's our results on the Bible Pem. But in a match is a Boston in here to the Mighty Jets and so any A5 Ransa. A ball 3 p.m. and Kofuria and our fins so Kofuria Sempa and this is BB FC ball. Ankuti United and Sonny Tamayud 3 p.m. Akosomo Crystal Palace and Sonny Acham Divisi. Achana Nania FC and Sonny Akati All Stars. Way A Zone 3. Ghana Premier League and so match abekoso as a match is dodo na betuja eno ada ko piemu ewa yeta kwa Akun Park na je say media man etumi to nsa de free Krobia Santi Koroko after 90 minutes no Krobia Santi Koroko ekonya nkunimdie ebo media man kaba ko mentimenti Abrantan the Nicholas Mentam and a board the only go no tumi ma Santi Koroko bubuko no. And the matches are able to join any 3 p.m. Ghana time. Became United near Accra Lions. Samson had to folk and Carolina United. And so Troman and so any Dreams FC Nina Airbaso 3 p.m. Ghana time. Real Tamale United and so Diana Stars 3 p.m. Ghana time. Samatex any BB any Gold Stars. And also about 3 p.m. Ghana time. League table so far, Ghana Premier League after match week 6. Asante Kotoko Edi Kain. Equal 13 points after 6 matches. Rihanna Stars Seto Sumienu after 5 matches equal 13. Accra Lions and Swabo 5 matches equal 12 points. Eto Sumiensa. Great Olympics Seto Su 9 equal 11 points. Ono about 6 matches. Legon Cities Eto Su Enum equal 10 points. Ono so about 6 matches. Brekum Chelsea Eto Su Ensia equal 9 points. Ono so about 6 matches. Carolina United Eto Su Enson equal 5 and I said 9 points after about 5 matches. Hatso Folk Etoso and Wache about 5 matches equal 8 points. And so Troman Etoso and Kron equal 7 points after 5 matches. Dreams FC Etoso will do after 5 matches Etoso and I say equal 7 points. BBN Gold Stars Etoso will do back after 5 matches equal 6 points. Mediama Etoso will do me after 6 matches equal 6 points. Became United and so about 5 matches Etoso will do me equal 6 points. RTU Edu 9 and so equal 5 points about 5 matches. Edu no my Samatex 5 matches will grab 5 and 4 points. 4 points at the Samatex. Edu Siano Kotoku Royals about 6 matches equal just 4 points. Tamale City and so equal 3 points about 6 matches. 25 star etosu Edu Wache ono and Ochato league table no so about 6 matches equal just 3 points. Top scorer chat any Enoch Agbulenyo a year Carolina United with about 3 goals. Nicholas Mensah Santi Kotoko was 3 goals. A free year Meshach and Sono a year Brekum Chelsea and also about 3 goals. We are Ghana Premier League table results and our fins on the top scorer chart. Fixtures and any in a bit to Jana area bar.
Says about him, on Samson, Maji, says about him.
Yentu Fana Fin, so the young question Ghana Mranti see a kind of manane. Our performance over the weekend. And Rauko Pimane said a branch and the and so any Salisu Mohammed. Mohamed Salisu to me General Southampton. I brought Mushia Liverpool. A brand to me for 90 minutes. I signed the yellow card at my Southampton. And so I'm far Omudi and Joe a coming and some Mutimo back home. And I brand and the Salisu Mohammed. Samson Akopima of Crystal Palace. A brand and the Jordan Pierre Ayew. And that Jordan it's me about 59 minutes at my Crystal Palace Bobo Kono. Samson Abrantes and the Jeffrey Schlupp. And once somebody did Jeffrey Schlupp it's me about 88 minutes. And I said yes, about 90 minutes in about 90 minutes in at my Crystal Palace. Abrantes the yellow card will give me more. Abra Crystal Palace edi enjoy Kabakwa Nottingham Forest a ball mono. Omo to me ante. I know Crystal Palace I say Jordan and you and our friends no Jeffrey Schlupp. Yenko na friends yenko PM Leicester City. Abrantes and the Daniel Amati. And now no so no to me about 90 minutes it me my Leicester Bobo Kono. Abrane Leicester and so to me Eshe Wolves and I say Wolves is saying Eshe West Ham come you no man to mante. Daniel Amati so no 8 me about 90 minutes it me Edema Leicester Bobo Kono. Thomas Tay Partey or Arsenal and now Arsenal to meet you Wolves Eshe come you no man to mante. Abrante Thomas Tay Partey and also about 90 minutes assigned the yellow card Edema Arsenal. Young corner fence Yanko Pion with the German Bundesliga. And Rabobo Kwanidi and so on at the Bayern for Leverkusen and Stuttgart boy. Timothy Fosumensa and Ra Otumi Abo a 93 minutes. Obemu on the 93rd minute rather. Yes, Timothy Fosumensa. Ebe Jeremy Frimpong on the 93rd minute. Then Oko PMO of Freiburg Akachia. Freiburg and Sona Branted Daniel Kofichre. Ono so bit me Jeremy Siakan Ediama Freiburg Bobukono. Abromoni Union Berlin Airball. NT Shannon Song. Samson at the French League 1. French League 1. And then Strasbourg and Laurent Eberball. Abranti and then Alexander Jiku. Then you share news Abranti and everything from Ingino. Abranti and to be to me see I can't Eddie Ama Strasbourg Bobo Kono. And rather our French League 1. René and Sonny Toulou a boy. Abranti and the Kamal Din Sulemana. Abranti and to me and Yinamu am more Amfama René Bobo Kono. When we saw Abranti prior and they were returning back into the squad. And that's how I returning into the squad. Abranti and rather went to me and Yinamu and see I can't Amfama a year Bobo Kwanidi at the René. I know so summer if you had a French League animal epa. Samson Akupiemo and Sona Moldova. Sheriff Tiraspol. Ghana Mranten Dudona and Isia Kanye Hall. Razak Balura. Samson Abranti and Idin and Sono Eddie. Patrick Pozo. Mudasiru Salifu. Omunyana Ewaye Moldova. A ball at the Mabobo Kwanidi and so the FC Sheriff. And I said Sheriff Tiraspol. Omunyana shared him said no major Masia Kaida Mobo. Nothing so near my conkai and so Eddie Momo. Now Branson and he did Joseph Pinto and so now Belgium. One aboard him a KRC a gang. And also sharing him saying no bit me Jeremy Sia kind man Bobo KRC gang. Samsona Abdul Fatau Shahaku. Also Sporting TP. And also sharing him saying nah and also bit me Jeremy Diama Sporting Lisbon. Our the Portuguese League anymore. I Ghana man to almost no ejina mu esi akan ewa manane our performance weekend and also yet media bar. But Sunday made it to join them on Echna Ayanopa 11 a.m. Oko PMO Ewankaya. They say the Ghana Football Association. And I feel so no coach Otuado. Eka Bumna fin so no matu me the Black Stars of Ghana your squad ayebe ko Qatar World Cup and I say. And him say sema wodo na na ni nkrofo akeka dia fa ho. Yeru doctor say kwakupa ma onim say wakasa. To me at the money FA president. Kete Edwin Simon Okreku. Echirima otan hunara kwa and FA anytime Joseph Pinto. It's so no for the sake kwakupa ma no. Osha okra 10% shares ewa ya Branton the Eddie Joseph Pinto ni mu. So you say Branton more more konkan ya. Obenya sika no da be contest ono Keto Okreku. Parenkem fano achana yenyina ye hwe nim se coach Otuado. Ano so ebitimi announce squad ni nyina. After the Ghana ye hu ye bobre ara afin so le gina bre. Se squad ni vimwom se vimunim achana ni nyina beba 11 am. Yeah, the life update beba. Yeah, the life updates bebro. Aranche beko Baransa na no enra Kopio my Don Pablo Paba it's easy Don Pablo Paba ni Okuman radio kan edweni say thank you Okuman concert no enra da etimi etuja Don Pablo Paba o hwe setup I hwe DJ Sani tweetia I hwe artist e be piem a hey it's easy kura Gambia na grow ya elite. I'm gonna Marobi bi onya abribe piem ho, ademtofo e bae, na mo support e endo bibia say. Say mo so no matimi ma we are possible. Thank you Okuman concert. We are heavy. Don Pablo Pop, we are heavy papa. Chanson Okuman team ni nyina led by Era Kofi Anton Bafo. And Kwame Perry. Nyina mo heavy. Enti no yerebe sina fin so no yakọ chira no panso ye betena se ono Okuman kasa afin so no yere update and more area ba mo shane so say na Ghana Premier League wo ho no ko na support Overa's team and I say Overa's club team ye da Okuman so say support no and e ko na ko support no Samson at channel 11 AM send me the 2 Jano the Black Stars of Ghana squad and be 2 Jano so now so executive producer Ed Yura Kofi Anton Bafo and Kofi Okora man head of sports and Kwame Perry DJ Ziggy B DJ Donzi Krobia Santin so bo me chidom the ding by ne yede local update Sierra no pa and so no etumi Eddie Ebrel Medin Kelvin and Ponsa Eddie Femi AK Everybody channel pay bishia or Okuman kasa. Oni nyamentina. Kwa sorry. Bye bye.